What are your thoughts on AI and how it'll affect the industry?
So there's a lot of talk about AI and everything going on. And to me, AI is just another tool in the toolkit. Every 10, 15 years, there's like a revolution of digital this and TVs coming out and all this stuff. If you notice throughout history, everyone complains, oh my God, TV is going to like take movies away and cable is going to take, this away, and everything is a tool for a director to use. So the most successful directors are going to be the directors that embrace AI as just as one of the many tools that they're going to use in their toolkit. And sure, will it change the dynamic of how much is physically shot versus, how much is done in post? Well, yeah, I mean, dynamics are always changing. But, so if, we lose some of the jobs in like production, there's going to be a lot of jobs created in the post end because a director is still going to need to direct and come up with a vision. That director is going to need a team to program and work with AI, work with VFX artists. You're gonna need a team for lighting still. I mean, you're gonna need all these people. It's just gonna shift into a little bit more of a different kind of medium. I mean, back in the day before digital effects, the post groups were small. Now, I think there's probably more people in post. If you look at movie credits, VFX credits are sometimes the longest out of all the credits. So, just jobs are gonna shift. But I think directors definitely need to know AI because it's, the more a director knows about cameras and lenses and editing, the more successful they're going to be. I mean, my personal thing is as a director, I want to know everyone's job better or as good as the top person around me. Because if once I know that, then the people that I bring on are definitely going to be better and I'm going to learn from them and it's just going to make each project I do better.